Had another dream about lions at the door. They weren't half as frightening as they were before, but I'm thinking about eternity. Some kind of ecstasy got a hold on me.
Hello math students, welcome back for lesson 5 in our series on mathematics and philosophy. Last time we learned about Pythagoras' great shamanic journeys and how, while he was on these journeys, he experienced and he saw the cosmic order of being all at once. We briefly examined some of his intuitive insights into reality, and we also looked at the mathematical properties of his visions. In today's lesson, we will examine Pythagoras' cosmogony in some detail. Cosmogonies are myths that human beings across cultures, religions, and traditions tell about the birth or the beginning of the universe. Today, our most popular Western cosmogony is told by astrophysicists like Stephen Hawking, called the Big Bang Theory. Let's hear the tale of Pythagoras' cosmogonic vision. All things, all being, and becoming are generated out of number. Being is what always is. It stays the same, doesn't change. Becoming is anything that changes, anything that moves, occupies time, rises and falls. All things, all being and becoming are generated out of number. The odd, the principle of the odd, is understood as a limit. It's an active principle. It's masculine. At its middle is a member with procreative powers. So you have this middle bit here, the dangly bit in the middle, the male bit. Yes, that's right. Even, the principle of the even, signifies the unlimited, the feminine principle. Even number has an empty space at its middle, suggesting the womb or receptivity. From the two primal principles rises a formless one of being and becoming. From this formless one arises number. The cosmos has its origin in the limited and unlimited together. The formless contains both even and odd. It is bisexual, and the Greek word hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite is a word that comes from the two Greek divine principles of Hermes and Aphrodite. The first principles, namely the limited and unlimited, are what was there before the world came into being. Numbers, or arithmos in Pythagorean thought, aren't about counting or statistics, but rather about form, metaphor, meaning, or symbol. Quite different than we think today, right? The whole universe is harmony and number, says Pythagoras. The revolution of the planets and the stars make the music of the spheres. It's an inaudible music to the naked ear. You can't hear it with your ear, but you can hear it inaudibly. You can hear it within yourself, says Pythagoras, if you are attuned correctly to the cosmic harmonies. All musical intervals are determined by numerical ratios. So not only is the whole entire universe mathematical and runs on mathematical laws, but its music, the music that emanates from it, even the audible music that you and I listen to, is governed by numerical ratios. And here's a list of the pitch ratios. The soul in ecstasy, dream, trance, travels to heaven, hears there the music of the universe, and in its mysterious structure immediately becomes clear to him. The incomparable and supernatural sound is part of the incomparable beauty of the cosmos. So you not only see the mathematical beauty of the cosmos, but you can hear the mathematical beauty of the cosmos. Pythagoras died asking for the monochord to be played, saying, "Souls cannot ascend without music." So on his deathbed, he asked for this precursor of the guitar to be brought there and to be played as he passed away. The knowledge of the perfection of the numbers of the soul is happiness. Did you know you have numbers imbued within your soul? Did you ever consider that numbers have anything to do with your happiness? This is a great mystery for us today. Okay, here are today's philosophic experiments, students. Question 1 in your journal, write down as many connections as you're able between numbers and the universe. See how many you can come up with. Question 2. Evaluate Pythagoras' view of numbers as having sexual and procreative properties. How sexy is math, anyway? Have you ever considered how your nature as a sexual being is shared with all the universe? Write your thoughts and questions in a journal entry. Question 3. Evaluate this third philosophic or contemplative way of knowing. What do you think about it, right? Knowledge derived neither from rationalism, logic, right, nor empiricism, science, but by intuition. Do you think it's possible to see and understand reality as Pythagoras sees? Why? Or why not? All right, students. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Try on your own time today. Think about your own origins and the origins of the universe and how you're related with this far distant in time and space event. And think about how we're all related because of this event. All right, we'll see you next time.